Hey everyone, we are here at the Big Piney Sportsman's Club in Texas County, Missouri. We are about to show skin patches, who's boss. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to sweep the pothole out, or the skin patch. You want to get the loose debris out of there, big chunks. You don't need to get rid of the water because EZ Street actually displaces water. It works in water. That's the amazing thing about it. After you're done sweeping, you're going to put the EZ Street in, out of the bag, bulk sack, or loose bulk. As you can see, it comes right out of the bag. You don't have any wastage, nothing getting stuck to the inside of the bag. When you're patching with EZ Street too, another thing that's very important is, let's say you've got a deeper hole than 2 inches. You want to patch it in 2 inches, put it in 2 inches, compact it, put another 2 inches, compact, and then on the final layer, what you'll see soon is you're going to want to leave about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of a crown above the surface for secondary road compaction. Another good thing too also about EZ Street that we want to point out is that you're able to, if we had a rake with us right now, you're able to rake it or shovel it very easily. As you can see, it moves around, it's not sticking, it's not clumping. You'd almost think you're working with hot mix right now, as well as this is flowing. We get questions about, will EZ Street work in a skin patch? Absolutely. The nominal aggregate size, they say how thin will it work? Again, the nominal aggregate size is how thin of an application you can do with it. A lot of other materials you might see not being able to work in an application like that, but our specially designed formula with our polymer additive and our material helps EZ Street bond to itself, which is very, very important to think about when you're patching. So as you'll notice, is not only does it bond to surrounding concrete and asphalt, it bonds to itself, on top of that displacing water. Skin patch is great applications for EZ Street as well. And with EZ Street, the initial compaction is very important. Now we've got some great tools here with us today. We're going to be able to use a vibratory compactor. But if you didn't have a vibratory compactor, you can always use a hand tamp. You can drive over it with your truck. You want traffic on this immediately. You do not want to cut it off. But like I said, we've got some really great tools with us, and we're going to go ahead and use a vibratory compactor right now on this application. As you can see, the EZ Street has been compacted with our initial compaction. We can open for traffic right away. I'm standing on it. I want to bring up a point that, after initial compaction, that you can step on it, you can walk on it, and if you come back and check it the next day, there's really no reason to put your boot in it and turn it to see how it's holding up. EZ Street, if it's going to fail, it's going to be within the first 24 hours. So if you come back tomorrow and this is be just like this, it's a successful application. Just leave it as is, let the cars get driving on it, and it's going to be a guaranteed permanent patch. How long is that going to stay? Until you have to repave that road. It will outlast the surrounding concrete and asphalt.